Joyce Evans for the Channel 6 10 o'clock news. Fuck it, we getting out of this joint.
You know, we were dancing and they had us doing a little bit effeminate moves. Let's go learn something tough. Chuck Norris said, Chuck, we need to toughen up our dance. Can you help us? Huh, yeah! You know, very boyish, and that's what we wanted.
It's all right, and it's okay. You may not be on the way. We can try to understand. New York Times affect our man.
Did you know some of the fastest growing forms of pornography today include sex with pregnant women, sex with crippled women?
Come on, my little one, won't you take my hand, and we will journey in your heart to a far and distant land.
Far away, slip into the night.
Whether you're a brother or whether you're a